Welcome to Salpare, a 2008 Fountaine Pajot Orana 44 that redefines the cruising lifestyle. Strategically located in La Paz, this vessel offers an authentic liveaboard advantage that separates her from most multi-hulls in her category. Designed by the famous Joubert Nevert firm, she features a low center of gravity for maximum security at sea. Furthermore, with a massive 110 square meters of sail, she provides impressive performance while limiting the use of her recently serviced engines. The sailing systems are designed for ease and efficiency. This inventory includes high-performance sails, but specifically, it features a specialized Code Zero and a Parasailor for effortless light wind cruising. Most of the rigging was updated in 2023 for total reliability. Furthermore, handling the boat is a push-button experience, thanks to powerful electric winches. Indeed, the custom stack pack and modern line handling systems make it manageable for a couple or even a solo sailor. Commanding this vessel is a high-comfort experience. Notably, the Helm station was fully enclosed in 2022 and features new custom seats and sunbrella cushions. To protect you from the Baja sun, the windshield includes dedicated shade covers for both active cruising and summer storage. Additionally, the complete B&G navigation suite, installed in 2022, gives you full control from both the upper helm and the interior nav station. Another pillar of this boat's design is the ability to never plug into a dock. Thanks to a massive 1400-watt solar array paired with a high-output wind generator. Together, these systems keep your battery bank charged silently around the clock. Moreover, a smart inverter allows you to run modern appliances just like you would at home. While the sun and wind provide almost all your needs, a compact backup generator is always ready for heavy-use days. Getting to shore is just as easy as sailing. This package includes a brand new 2024 aluminum hull tender and a powerful 15-horsepower outboard with electric start. Moreover, the davit system was custom reinforced in 2025. It features a built-in paddleboard rack and an electric hoist. Consequently, you can launch and retrieve your dinghy with the push of a button. Under the hood, the reliability is unmatched. Both Yanmar engines were fully refurbished in 2022, while the saildrives received a complete professional rebuild in 2023. Specifically, this includes upgraded gears and high-end performance propellers serviced just last year. For your safety, both compartments feature integrated fire suppression systems. Additionally, the vessel comes with a comprehensive spare parts kit for total peace of mind in remote areas. As we step into the cockpit, notice the custom cushions and foldable low table. This area is the perfect niche for social gatherings that extend well beyond sunset. The large sliding window creates a seamless flow into the salon. Inside, the space is ample and bright. Whether you are cooking or working at the twin navigation station, the layout feels open and airy. It features new white quartz countertops and 2 separate refrigeration stations. Now, let's look at why the Maestro version is so desirable for full-time living. The entire starboard hull is a private owner's retreat. It includes a fine cabin, a dedicated bureau, and a private bathroom. Notably, the forward section of this wing features an expansive storage system along with a washing machine, a high-output water maker, and a neatly organized tool cabinet with an extended pantry. In contrast, the portside hull houses 2 comfortable double cabins for guests. Specifically, each cabin features its own private head equipped with a modern electric toilet, ensuring luxury and comfort for everyone on board. Salpare isn't just a catamaran. It's a turnkey home ready for the Sea of Cortez. Clean, upgraded, and exclusively listed by La Paz Yachts. Don't just buy a boat. Invest in the Liveaboard advantage. This video is not long enough to show you everything this catamaran has to offer. Therefore, follow the link in this video description to see the full listing and photo gallery. Contact our brokers to make your offer now before this opportunity disappears on the horizon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for access to the best boat deals in La Paz. See you on the water.